Hello friends, welcome you all to the video solution of ANTHE 2018, and here I am going to discuss math section of class 10th paper code A. So as you know, there are total 20 questions of math. So let's start with the very first question, that is question number 71 of this paper. So this question based on the concepts of coding and decoding. So here this question states, if this word 10 is coded as 72, men is coded as 65, hat is coded as which of the given options? So let's solve this question. So first we have to decode the coding pattern. So you can see that here the word 10 is coded as 72. So first we'll write the positions of each alphabet in the given word. We know that the position of letter T, 20th in English alphabet, then 5, then 14. Clear? So we have numbers 25 and 14. So how we obtain 72 from these numbers? So you can see that when we multiply this first number by 1, clear? And then when we multiply the second number by 2, and the number at the third position is multiplied by 3. So what we are obtaining here, this is 20, this is 10, and this is 42. And when we add these numbers, we are obtaining 72. So this is the coding pattern. So that's why we are obtaining 10 is coded as 72. Similarly, we can apply the same pattern for men, which is coded as 65. Clear? The positions of letter M, E, N are respectively 13, 5 and 14 respectively. Now first we have to multiply 13 by 1. So we are obtaining here 13. 5 multiplied by 2 we are getting 10, and then 14 multiplied by 2 again we are getting 42. So when we add these numbers we are getting 65. So again we are getting the same pattern. Now we will apply the same pattern for word hat to obtain the coded number. So hat, first we'll write the positions of each alphabet. The position of this letter H in English alphabet is 8. A is at first position, and the position of letter T is 20th in English alphabet. So first we have to multiply 8 by 1. What we are obtaining? 10. 1 multiplied by 2 we get 2, and then 20 is multiplied by 3 we are getting 60. The sum is 70. So the code for word hat is 70, and 70 is the answer for this question. Now look, the given options, we can see that here option number 3 is correct. So you can mark the answer for this question is option number 3. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question. Now friends, let's solve question number 72. This question is based on series. So first we have to find in the pattern in the given sequence, given figure. We'll apply the same pattern to find the figure which will replace this question mark. Now come to the solution. Now let's find the pattern in the given figure. So here we can see that the sectors in the first figure is rotated by 45 degrees in clockwise direction. So we'll obtain the figure number 2. And further we can see that when we move each sector of figure 2 by 45 degrees in clockwise direction, we'll obtain this third figure. So when we apply this pattern, we'll obtain this figure which will replace this question mark, and we can see that here the fourth option is the correct answer for this question. And you can write here the answer for this question is option number 4. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question. Now friends, let's discuss third question of math section, that means question number 73. So this question is based on odd one out. So here we have to find the odd one out. You can see that here Singapore, Sri Lanka and Maldives are the countries which are islands. But you can see that Thailand is not an island. So that's why this one is odd one out from the given option. So you can say here the second option is the correct answer for this question. So you can mark the answer for this question is option number 2. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question.